Once upon a time, in a colorful garden filled with fragrant flowers, there lived a little butterfly named Gulabo. She fluttered from flower to flower, spreading joy wherever she went. One sunny morning, Gulabo woke up to find her wings covered in dewdrops. She giggled as the sunlight made them sparkle like diamonds. Suddenly, she heard a soft voice calling out to her. It was a tiny ant named Akbar. He was carrying a heavy load of food back to his anthill. Gulabo landed beside him and asked, "Why are you carrying such a heavy load, Akbar?" Akbar replied, "I am gathering food for my family. We need to store enough for the winter when food is scarce." Feeling sorry for Akbar, Gulabo decided to help. She flew from flower to flower, guiding Akbar to the sweetest nectar and the juiciest fruits. Together, they collected enough food to fill Akbar's anthill. Grateful for Gulabo's kindness, Akbar invited her to a special feast in his anthill. Gulabo danced with joy as the ants cheered and celebrated their newfound friendship. From that day on, Gulabo and Akbar became the best of friends, always helping each other and spreading happiness wherever they went. And in the colorful garden, their tale of friendship was told for generations to come.